Good morning. I'm David Prelle Eron of the Eron Law Firm here in Wichita, Kansas. Our primary focus is on bankruptcy, and I'm going to be doing a little video series on some frequently asked questions and basically some hot topics that we see a lot in bankruptcy. Today, the area that I'm going to be focusing on is pre-bankruptcy payments. This can take a variety of different forms, but a lot of times when folks are thinking about filing bankruptcy or wanting to file bankruptcy, they want to get certain things paid. One category of that is you may owe some family members money, some friends money. You may owe certain businesses that you regularly do business with and want to do business with after you file a bankruptcy some money, and so you want to get those things paid before you file for fear that they're not going to get paid or that you might have to list them in a bankruptcy. The other type of payments that we see a lot are people who have cash and they just want to get rid of it before they file so that they don't lose it. A lot of times they'll turn that over to family members, they'll turn it over to kids or spouse, or they'll turn it over to friends. And it's not just cash. It could be things like cars or assets, coin collections, different things like that. Any of these category of transfers prior to filing bankruptcy can present major problems during the bankruptcy case. They all have to be disclosed. Failure to disclose them can result in the loss of your discharge and even criminal prosecution. So it's a big problem if you don't disclose those things. But having made those transfers, you can lose a lot of exemptions, things that you're entitled to keep through the bankruptcy, and you don't know that. You could have kept them, or you could have moved them to exempt assets, things that you could keep, and instead you've lost that ability because you transferred it to relatives or friends or other creditors before filing. So the single most important thing you can do before filing is consult with a lawyer, especially about things like transferring assets before you file. The simple piece of advice is don't do it ever without the advice of an attorney, particularly one who is skilled in bankruptcy. If you do, you could end up getting yourself into a lot of hot water. If any of these issues are relevant to you right now, if you're thinking about bankruptcy, please feel free to give us a call here at Eron Law. Any of our attorneys or staff would be happy to speak with you. Our phone number is 262-5500. That's 262-5500. You can also visit us online at www.eronlaw.net. Thanks for listening, and be well.